popping, yo? What's good? What's good? Yes, hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when it is you're watching this video. We're back again on the Big Brother Nigeria review with Bbnaija on Clock TV. You know how we do it. We give you all the highlights on the Big Brother Nigeria show, and as you know, this is season 5. Now, on the last episode, we gave you what we felt about all the housemates that have been in the house for the past 1 week, and yes, this is a new week, and see, the house has been boiling with drama. Now, if you'll agree with me, this year's edition of the Big Brother Nigeria show has been packed with so much drama. Now, this year has been the most exciting year so far because like a lot of characters have been in the house, a lot of people have been in the house giving different kind of characters. And one thing I've noticed about this year's edition is that people have changed their strategy. Now, for the past few years, we've had the same strategy. We've had the person playing the pity party, we've had the person playing the troublemaker, but this one, different people have been playing different scripts, and to be honest, it has been exciting. It has been super interesting. It has been intriguing. Like I've never been so addicted to a show in my life. Like forgetting the fact that it's about work or anything, I sit down in front of the TV and I watch this thing like my life depends on. Like you think I am in the house, and when you see me shouting, "No, don't go there, no, come back," you think no, they are paying me one extra money for watching Big Brother. It has been really exciting. It has been really, really interesting. And if you have not been watching it, I got you. That's why we are here for you, to give you all the highlights of everything that has been happening in the house. Don't go anywhere. It's Bbnaija for Clock TV. What's poppin'? What's up? What's up? Yes, in case you are just joining, which is most unlikely, this is still Bbnaija on Clock TV with the Big Brother Nigeria highlights. Yes, that's right, the highlights. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about on today's episode is the various ships that have been sailing in the house. Now, we're thinking, okay, to take time for these ships to Bera, but as it is, this is just 2 weeks of the house and the ships have already left the sailing place. They're already on the highways. Now, we don't know if the waves and the storm will hit the ship, but for now, the ships are sailing. Now, the first ship we're going to be examining today is Eric and Lilo. Eric and Lilo has been so in our faces right from the beginning of this show. Like, they literally don't give themselves any breathing space. It's not good for single people. Like, when you see them, you think, no, they're going to marry the next following week. Like, you know, they what happened? Like, you people know yourself before coming to the house. Like, the way they've been doing like, no, when the snail goes, the shell follows. Like, they're always everywhere together. Lilo is always hugging him. They're always found in different places in the house, hugging and cuddling and kissing and touching and, you know, and doing all the mushy and all the, you know, all the shmar and all the gummy up and down. I'm like, what's happening? It's pregnancy that we see any people as last because what did happen? Now, the funny thing about this ship is, I don't know, but I feel Lilo is a very innocent girl. She seems like, I don't want to use the word Ode, like you understand what she, but that's how she is. She seems pretty vulnerable. That's the word. So and Eric looks like he's playing a game on her. Like Eric looks like a playboy. And according to what I heard this is the final year in University of Lagos. And you know what they say about University of Lagos boys, like don't go and, you know, come out your trouser for them, because if you come out, you have used it and do free giveaway. You understand? I know what I'm talking about. But yes, Eric and Lilo has been a ship that has been sailing smoothly for the past few weeks or for the past few days, and people on Twitter have been saying these people are too in our faces, like you all are overdoing things. Even in real life, relationship going is not sweet like this. Now Kilo, they were there and be doing as if no, we have not had relationship before that. We know how this thing goes. Now on another ship, on the next ship, that this ship is beautiful because like they feel like two different people entirely. Now that ship is Neo and V. Now Neo, okay, they're not like they're very different people because both of them seem pretty energetic. Now from what I know about Neo, from the beginning he has been somebody to take charge. Neo has been somebody to always go for what he wants. He's somebody that does not slack in any way. And V also is a very, very, very vivacious girl. She's a very up and down girl. She twerks everywhere and she's just like a very happy person naturally. So it looks like both of them are alike. But why I said they seem pretty not so alike is Neo is coming with the worry card, and you know how the worry card plays, and V is coming with the Britico kind of card, like I think the one with the accent, blah blah blah. You understand? So yes, both of them have been playing different cards, but now it is quite shocking that they happen to be on the same ship sailing. And funny thing is, four of them, as per Eric, Lilo, Neo, and V, they are forming some kind of squad as the lovebirds in the house. Now, we thought that was all. We thought it was just both of them that were lovebirds in the house. Not until Ozo decided to put himself in a love triangle. Or should I say he was gonna put himself, or he put the other ladies in a love triangle. Now he's stuck between Nengi and Dora. Now this particular triangle confuses me a lot. Now you ask me why. See why? Exactly why. Nengi, according to what we know, Nengi has always liked Ozo. Like, it has been so obvious. Like, she has always not necessarily thrown herself at him, but she has always like shown him green light, shown interest. No, okay, let's not use green light, let's use orange light. Like, get ready, you know what I'm saying? So she has always used this light on Ozo. But also obviously, because Nengi is a hot girl, she has the curves and she's also spec directly. So Ozo has also like been crushing on Nengi one kind. But there is Dorothy. Now Dorothy has played the best friend card for Ozo. Now Dorothy, according to Ozo, happens to be his favorite person in the house, blah 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 blah, the person he's close with, the person he talks to a lot, the person he can relate with, blah 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 blah, and all of that. But Ozo now wants to play two cards. He wants to eat his cake and have it. He wants to have Dorothy on the side, and he wants to have Nengi on the other side. Now Dorothy called him to clear him one night, and she told him, you can't put me in a love triangle. You can't make people stop talking to me because they think we are a thing. Yet you leave me and go to talk to Nengi. Like, that night was really deep. Like, she cleared him totally. Like, she cleared him to the end. Like, she told him, you can't be here and there. Pick a side. You can't be coming here to form bestie for me and be going back. Now, according to what I think, according to what I see, I feel Dora has a crush on Ozo also, but Dorothy being somebody that, yeah, she goes for what she wants, but she also wants to be reserved at some point. So she probably does not, she doesn't want to come out straight. Do you understand? She doesn't want to come out straight to tell Ozo that, Oga, I'm feeling you, I'm feeling the boy. But now, the funny thing about the Nengi-Ozo relationship is, now, Ozo has not really been on Dorothy's side, and he has sailed more on Nengi's side. But now, Nengi is acting like she was not the one that brought up the green light in the first place. Now, Nengi has been acting pretty cold to Ozo. Like, she has been acting like, Ozo is one person that does not exist. And at this same Nengi keeps saying that she has a boyfriend at home. Now, I remember at the beginning of the show that she said her boyfriend was not in support, or her boyfriend didn't know. Her boyfriend didn't know she was coming on the show in the first place. So, like, they were not on talking terms when she entered the house, but she still has a boyfriend. So, this three people's triangle, I really do not understand. Now, the ship that, is the sweetest ship. And okay, not the sweetest ship, but it's the most interesting ship with some external, you understand, sailing by the side, is Kidwaya and Erica's ship. Now, if you would agree with me, Erica is like one of the popping babes in the house. Now, Kidwaya happens to be the Omo Babo Lobo in the house, because according to him, he said he's just coming to Big Brother because of the fame. Because according to what we heard, he spent $8,000. That's like a lot of millions of naira, coming from where he is to the Big Brother house. Like, you use $8,000 and enter private jet. When some of us, his boss, 10 hours overnight board that we use, he used a PJ to come to the house. Now, according to him, his dad is pretty rich, his dad is a billionaire, his dad is this, his dad is that. And he also said that he can afford, wait for it, to buy a 2018 Benz for his woman and also pay 500,000 naira monthly for her rent. So, sweet boy like this, that is also a fine boy, and he have a lot of behavior, So he came into the house, and of course, you notice like girls might want to flock around him at some point, but yes, he has proven that he has eyes only for Erica. Like, their love has been really smush, really mushy, like all this all this gum kind of love, like, you know what I'm saying? So yes, Kidwaya and Erica, they've proven to be a thing. They've proven to be like a very, very, very strong thing. They've proven to have something good going on for both of them. But let's not forget that a very beautiful girl, Wathoni, has a hopeless crush on Kidwaya. And she is not even hiding it. That's the funny thing. Like, she has an open crush on Kidwaya. This leads us to the games, but I will do the games. I'll talk about the games right after this break. Don't go anywhere. It's still Oyindamola on Plug TV, like the Big Brother Nigeria review. Welcome back to the Big Brother Nigeria highlights with Oyindamola on Plug TV. Now, I said I was going to be telling you guys about the games that have been happening in the house. But before we talk about the games, let's talk about their Saturday party. Now, the last Saturday party they had was the bomb. Like, it was the first party, and in the afternoon before the party, they were already turning up and doing choreographies in the house and learning how to dance and all. And we already knew we were in for a hot time. Now that party was the party of, like, I was turning up from my sitting room where, like, it was the bomb. Now they gave them phones, as you guys know they always do. But come and see. First, let's talk about the attires. Let's talk about the dressings. Like, all of them came to slay hard, especially the girls. The girls brought their A game on. Even Wathoni that did not do makeup, like, she came like with a lot of jewels and all things. But sorry, I have a question. Auntie Lucy, what did you wear? Kile wore. Like, sorry, she did not wear anything under her clothes, and everything was just in our face. Like, hello, come and see me, I'm right here. Like, Auntie, now have a fear of God. But yes, all of them all came to the party looking all pink and all, and they came to have fun. Now, aside Eric and Lilo that were chingumming themselves up and down, those people, I'm waiting for what Big Brother will do to their matter, because those people don't look like they came for any Big Brother. It's like they came to do matchmaking love something in the house. But aside them, like, everybody had so much fun. Erica was totally the life of the party. Tolani Bad brought it hot. Lekon proved that he is a Unilag boy that he has been said to be. Like, this guy, as small as he is, this boy is no more than this. He didn't pass like this on the floor. He's just very close to the ground. Like, he's down to it, you know what I'm saying? But the way this guy was grabbing everything, like, it was just going after. It was like he had some magnetic attraction to Bum. Like, he would just go touch this one, you go grab this one, you go, and I'm like, Lekon legit rocked every girl in that party on Saturday. Like, that guy had so much fun, daddy. Like, he had too much fun for one person. Like, And even the highlight of the party for me was when Kidwaya was rocking Erica and he touched her boobs, either mistakenly or intentionally. I like the way she changed it for him. Like, don't do that, fam. Like, do not do that. No, they cross your boundary. Like, go, girl. I think that's the energy all of us need to start having in all these clubs and all these parties. Anybody that tries to tell them, now, when they played Truth or Dare after the Saturday party, they attempted to play Truth or Dare, but a lot of people said they were not interested, blah, blah, blah. But before people said they were not interested, Nengi dared Wathoni to kiss a guy. Now, she now made it seem like she had options. Tell me to pick between Kidwaya, so let me keep it. When he picked the Kidwaya, you want to pick and kiss him, which she actually did. She picked Kidwaya and they kissed for 20 seconds. You should have seen Erica's face. Erica's face was like this. And I'm like, the day. It's just Big Brother out now. Everything will still go. But yes, Wathoni kissed Kidwaya after the at the Truth or Dare game after the Saturday party. Now fast forward to the Truth or Dare game they had a few days ago. That one was the deepest. Like, everybody was just kissing up and down. This one kissed this one, that one kissed this one, that one kissed that one. Eric kissed Lilo, V kissed Neo, so person kissed so person. You got Kido day. All of you don't always tired of kids. It's Truth or Dare only kids. Can't you dare somebody to recite Psalm 23? Can't you dare somebody? But it's only kids. Most people be kissing. It's what immoralities. But yes, moving on. So the part that killed me in the Truth or Dare game was when Wathoni was dared to pick a guy she likes and show him her panties for 30 seconds, and he would come describe it to the house. Now she was like, you people know now, it's obvious. He knows himself. That's how Kidwaya too, Van Damme, Vavoom. He stood up, followed her, went to look at pints, and came back to describe the pints. You see the way that one too was talking. You know that this one, Ellen Fife, he's a prostitute on his own. He came and describe pants. When it was not his own turn, they dared him to pick a girl he liked, and he should kiss her for 30 seconds. So we would have thought he would pick the person that showed him pants. No! He went to pick Auntie Erica and kiss that one for 30 seconds. Like, you should have seen Wathoni's face. Now, the basic part of this whole story is the camera was not even focused on the kiss. The camera was focused on Wathoni's face. Like, he was on Bastoni's face. I'm like, what up? What is Big Brother trying to achieve with this thing that they are doing? But yes, this brings us to a moral lesson. Rate me, rate you. Rate the person that what? That rates you. No show your pants to person wey no go kiss you. Use that thing in your daily lifestyle because it's a word for the wise. You know what I'm saying? But yes, on another part of the truth and dare game. So they had the head of house challenge on Monday where Lucy emerged as the head of house and she picked Prince to be her deputy. Now they were also dared. Lucy was dared to kiss Prince. Now you'll have thought, Lucy will kiss Prince. Now Lucy now stood up to go and kiss Prince. Prince said, no, I will drink. Prince is a bad person. Why didn't he kiss her? Justice for Lucy. But yes, moving on. So I think all the housemates have been put on a possible eviction for now, and this year's season has changed like a lot of things. Now they pick the head of house, and the head of house picks his or her deputy on Monday, and every other person is placed on possible eviction. Like Big Brother is planning to cash out a lot this year. Now, when all of them are placed on possible eviction, the four lowest will be presented to the house, and the housemates will pick the contestants that will be going home. Like that is just very it's going to be very deep, to be honest. So deep, but it's going to be deep. Like this year's one is going to have a lot of drama, and it's going to, like, it's even already having a lot of drama coming from the fights. Is it the fights we want to start seeing? Time will not permit me to go fully into the fights, but trust me, now on the next episode I'll give you again all the updates of everything that has been happening on the on lockdown edition of the Big Brother. I want to say more, but time will not permit me. Thanks for watching this video. Before you go, come back here. Don't go, don't press the exit button. Like this video, tell us what you feel in the comment section. Tell us the favorite parts of the Big Brother show. I have not picked my favorites in the house yet, so tell me what you think should be my favorite in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be getting all the gist firsthand from us. My name is Oyindamola, Oyindamola. You know what I'm saying? And I am the hot girl always blessing your screen. Before you go, tell me I'm fine. That's right. You got it right there. Keep watching Plug TV. Follow us on Instagram at Plug TV Live. Till we meet again. Bye.